Hey guys, what's up? Today I will share with you my room. So, pagpasok niyo yung pinto, ito na siya. Pasok niyo pa ng onte. Ito na siya. Ayan. Pagpasok nyo, yung likod ng door, ito yung makikita nyo. Yan ang aking lalagyanan ng mga bags. I have here Forever 21 bag, Chanel bag. That Chanel bag, guys, is original. Pinamana siya sa akin ng tita ko. And then, I also have here the Ralph Lauren backpack. Yang backpack na yan, guys, since college ako, alive na yan. Ngayon si Daphne na gumagamit niyan. And then I have mango bag. Sa likod niyan, meron akong Betty Johnson na bag. Punta naman kayo sa gilid ng onte. Makikita niyo dito yung aking cup and cakes order board. And then, konti pa tayong kembot dito. Diyan, nakalagay ang aking altar. My Santo Niño was given to me by my mom. And then, yung aking Saint Michael, which is this one. And then, random candles. And then, my rosary is there. And then, yung cross ko. And then, more candles. Ito yung aking lumang vanity. Diyan nakalagay lahat ng mga beauty stuff, makeup, and all that random stuff. Ito yung ginagamit ko on a daily basis. I have here the MUSA Aqua Cool Gel. Every time after makeup, ginagamit ko yan. And my current facial moisturizer, Olay. And then my hair vitamins, which is the Ellipse. And then yung aking Vicks na very, very important kasi lagi akong sumasakit ng ulo. And then I have my eye drops here. My ever-trusted petroleum jelly, yung aking MUSA collagen snail, and skin mate forever yung shark oil. Nakikita nyo naman yung mga ano ko, mask, powders, yung aking hairspray. Sa likod yan, more mask and vitamins, andyan yan lahat. On this part, makikita nyo yung aking perfume collection, yung mga everyday lotions ko. I have here the Gliderm, the Veet for hair removal, the castor oil, yung milk lotion for my feet, and ito yung mga sachets na kailangan ko. I have Kojic sun black here, and then mga eye white products. Lower than that, ito naman ang makikita nyo. I have here the body scrub, which is my favorite. This is the Body Shop. Then I have here body butter from Natural Looks, the glistening strawberry, and then I have loose powder here, brightening powder yan. And then my ever favorite for underarm, this is the Magic Puff. And then meron akong eyeshadow palette dito. This is kasha dun sa vanity ko dun sa baba. And then itong canister na to, itong lalagyan na to, these are chargers, power banks, lalagyan. I have here a stand mirror. This one is from Miniso. 99 pesos lang yan. Kita nyo dito, makeup bases, foundation, ganayan. But I have one loose powder here kasi hindi kasha sa baba. Primers down here, I have Rimmel, I have Maybelline, I have Elf, and then a lot of BB creams and foundation. I have here Asha Wheel, I have Maybelline foundation, another Maybelline foundation. I have another L'Oreal foundation, Avon BB cream, which is I love. Etong mga nandito na, ito na yung mga talagang filtered ko na foundation and BB creams na talagang gustong-gusto ko. So, dito nyo lahat sila makikita. And then, I have my two ever-trusted beauty sponge right here as well. I have a CC cream from Olay, and then I have here my Forever Fashion 21 BB cream, which I love as well. The L'Oreal Magic Skin Beautifier BB cream, of course, the Ever Bilena Advanced BB cream. Concealer right here. I have the L'Oreal one. L'Oreal. I have the Revlon, two Revlon BB concealers, and then the Sansan HD concealer. Makeup drawer, which I hide all of my makeup. So, dyan nyo yan makikita lahat. Yeah, buksan natin. Dito may makikita kayong bag. This pouch is where I put all of my makeups pag umaalis ako. So, I have here the Miniso powder. So, dyan ko siya nilalagay. This is a partner of my Betty Johnson na bag. On this side muna tayo sa canister na to. Makakita kayo ng mga false lashes, yung pandikit, mga mini eyeshadows. Andito rin, Maybelline. I have here Nichido. And then, mga tools andito lahat for pampaganda. Next row naman, on the next lalagyan, my favorite setting spray, which is the Motives Look Younger setting spray. And this is the collection of my lipstick. Yung ibang mga lipstick ko, actually pinamimigay ko sa kanila, especially yung mga lipstick na hindi ko masyadong type. So, andito yung mga liquid lipsticks ko. Wait. Liquid lipstick ko, lip tints, lip peel off pala. I have here, ito muna tayo, dito muna tayo. I have here MAC, I have here the Rimmel, the Kate edition, and then another MAC lipstick, and then Avon. I have here the Ever Bilena, Avon again, and then I have here the Jeffree Star Velour collect in Gemini, and then ELF. I have here the Ever Bilena, A Toast of Mocha, Shawil ones, and then what is this? This one is CoverGirl. CoverGirl. I have here my Carrot from Kokorio, Maybelline, Revlon, Wet n Wild, of course, my two lip balms. Most liquid lipstick, andito siya sa area na to. You will see here ColourPop NYX liquid lipstick, and then the LA Girl Matte. And in this area, makikita nyo naman yung aking yung wala dyan, andyan. So, I have here my powders at the back. I have a bronzer din yan. Blushes, Skinful, L'Oreal, may Ever Bilena, ay hindi, Curline pala to. And then, I have one from Victoria's Secret, and then Lancome, na favorite ko, and then one liquid lipstick from liquid tint from Bench, which is also my favorite. And then on this side, makikita nyo naman yung mga highlighter ko. I have the Bench one, Fashion 21, and then from Avon, and then aking mga gel liners, mascaras ko, which is the Sansan, the Fashion 21, Maybelline, of course. And then dito makikita nyo ang aking pinaka-importante sa buhay ko, which is the the floss, kasi ayoko na bumalik sa dentista ko. Dito naman makikita nyo our eyebow products. So I have here the Perfect Brow Kit from Etude House, and of course my ever-loved Ever Bilena powder in London, and then some pencils right here. I have one from MAC, from Fab, red logo. Liner, I have here some brow products as well, the Ever Bilena, the Tint My Brow Gel from Etude House, and then I have my Nichido. Organize ko siya, guys. Itong mga to will cost you like 66 or 88 pesos a day. So very mura lang yan. So, kita nyo rin dito are makeup palettes. I have your Model Prefer palette. I have here the Urban Decay 2. I have here the Avon. And then, Ever Bilena. Hindi kasi, so, dyan ko tinatago. Yung isa naman, andoon nakatago. Na yung area na yan. So, basically, guys, ayan yung itsura ng aking vanity. Sa taas yung aking altar, and this is my old vanity. One of my favorite people, which is Audrey Hepburn. Alam niyo to, pinost ko to. This one, pinaint ko lang yan para maging, maging, ang tag dito, headboard ko, kasama ng headboard ko. Ganon. Pero nagkulang pala. Hindi ko napansin. Kulang pala siya, oh. Side, makikita nyo naman yung aking bedside table. Regularly, my wallet is here. This one is from Fossil. So, ganito lang ang mga gusto kong wallet. Ayoko kasi nung malalaki. And I have a box of tissue here. Daphne's picture, of course. Candles are from Daiso. And then my phone. Back makikita nyo to. This one is from, ano ba to? From SM ko to binili. So, dito makikita nyo are my watches. I also some cat things and accessories are right here. And I have Casio, of course, the Fossil one. The Michael Kors at the back. Expedition right here. So, yan yung mga watches ko. And some accessories down here. So, dito ko sila tinatago lahat. Sa baba niyan, makikita mo nyo mga books na gusto-gusto kong binabasa and all that. Ito naman ang aking bed. Sa aking bed, before kayo humiga, meron akong ano dyan, corkboard. Marami akong corkboard. Ayan, corkboard, another corkboard right here. Anyway, so, ito yung aking bed. Itong bedsheet ko, nabili ko lang to sa Quiapo. This cost me like 120 pesos yung sheet and then 25 pesos yung pillow. So, you don't have to buy like expensive ones. Less than 200 pesos may bedsheet na ako. And then, kung mapapansin nyo, isa lang yung aking curtain. It's because pag nag-film ako, I use natural lighting, guys. So, isa lang yan kasi pag gabi, tinalalagay namin dito. And then, pag umaga, pag nag-film ako, nilalagay ko naman sa side na to. Isa lang talaga, intentionally. Is this pillow right here. This one, higaan yan ni Mayo Baby. And of course, I have my laptop here. And yung table na yan, I bought that one also sa Quiapo. So, very inexpensive lang yan. Baba ng aking kama, ang makikita nyo are my shoe collections. And also, may dalawa akong nakalabas dito na shoes. These shoes are from Nike. Yung mga regular na ginagamit ko palagi. This one is Nike Dual Function. Every time I work out, ito ginagamit ko. So, dito lang siya kasi para hindi ko na binubuksan to. Naturalizer na everyday rubber. And then, ito, pag binuksan ko na kasi medyo mahirap siya. I have here my Skechers. I have my Bash shoes, which is my favorite. This one is from Forever 21. I have Ipanema here. I have random stuff here from SM yata itong dalawang to. And then another Glenda shoes there. And I have a lot of stuff of ano hindi ko alam ba't na. Kay ano yata to, kay Shayna pinamana yun sa akin before siya mag-abroad. And at the back makikita nyo yung aking bench shoes, my Vans, eto shoes ni Daphne yung dalawa. My Converse. I'm still organizing this one, pero maayos naman siyang tingnan. Yung area niya, makikita nyo yung mga hindi ko pa nagagamit na mga products. I have here mga pang painting, kasi mahilig nga ako mag-painting. I have a lot of things there na pang paint. Mostly pang paint yung nasa ibabaw na yan. Lower than that, makikita nyo naman yung mga products na hindi ko pa na-open. Umikot ka ulit, ito na makikita nyo yung side na to. This frame is from SM, this corkboard, nabili ko lang yan for 180 pesos sa National Bookstore. So, lahat ng pang trabaho at saka pang YouTube, andyan lahat ng mga kailangan kong informations and all that. And I have here a customized mirror na pinagawa ko way back. Itong table na to, pinakustomize ko rin yan for my loving. Ayan, table na to, pinagawa ko yan. And then, I have here a blackboard na sinusulatan ko ng mga daily rara. I always have my notebook, my ever trusted. Alam nyo naman ako, mahilig ako sa notebook. So, dito ko yan nilalagay para in case may naisip ako. So, dyan ko nilalagay yan. On this side, makikita nyo naman yung aking blackboard, which my everyday rara, like be loving, ganyan, God-fearing and all that. This right here are, etong, ano na to, flower vase na to, nabili ko to sa Unitap. Very inexpensive lang yan. And then I have here, ito, nasa Quiapo ko lang to nabili kasama tong puting to na ginagawa kong accessory. Kasi yung pang everyday ko, andito lahat yan. I have my Pandora bracelet right here. My friendship ring is here. My Cartier earrings are here. So, yan. Dyan yan. For yung mga everyday ko, dyan ko lagi nilalagay. I also have my brushes here. Nalalagyan. And then, my notepads. Ayan. And then, yung aking... Marami kasi akong corkboard, so kailangan ko ng maraming pang-pin. Andyan yan. And this side, makikita nyo naman yung aking pang-everyday na tint, which is the Sansan and the Etude House one. My pens, my ties. Other than that, makikita nyo yung aking printer, which I use for work. And then, my favorite notebooks, at saka yung iha ng aking mga pusa. And then, eto na. Cabinet na. At ang cabinet ko, makikita nyo dyan yung aking bathrobe. And then, hindi ko nabubuksan yung cabinet na yan kasi ang daming patay na tao dyan. I mean, death in my closet. I mean, maraming medyo magulo pa yan. So, I'm still organizing that area. So, overall, guys, ito yung itsura ng aking kwarto. Ang aking door, bag collection, yung aking vanity, may altar, and may Audrey Hepburn. Ayan yung aking bed, my laptop, yung aking areas na lalagyan ng mga anik-anik. And then, may another vanity mirror and office mirror at the same time. And then, cabinet na. And meron pala akong hindi nasali. Kung nakikita nyo yan, yung aking chandelier, binili ko yan sa handyman.